Before we start learning how the accounting entries are recorded and profit or loss is ascertained, it is very important to study a few basic principles and assumptions of accounting. All accountants in the world do the accounting based on certain rules and standards of accounting. These are globally accepted and practiced standards. This common set of standards is called GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. To arrive at an accurate profit or loss figure and prepare a balance sheet, one needs to know these accounting principles and assumptions. Let us have a quick look at these assumptions and principles which are put together.
Economic entity assumption. This assumption indicates that the owner or owners of the business are separate from the business. Owners are the separate entity and the business enterprises is a different legal entity. The accountant keeps the business transactions separate from the personal transactions of the owners.
Monetary unit assumption. According to this principle, accounting entries are made only for those transactions which can be measured in terms of money. For example, a company may have a well-efficient and talented manager that contributes to the good performance of the company. But his talent cannot be measured in terms of money and hence it does not become an accounting entry or not being reflected in financial statement.
Time period assumption. This accounting principle assumes that the company has to report the ongoing activities of a business in a relatively short and distinctive time intervals, which are called accounting periods. Normally, it is 1 year. The company cannot wait until it is closed down to measure the business results and then to find out profit or loss. That is why all companies have to choose an accounting period and report the results of the activities on a frequent basis.